just here to demonstrate finally the successful repair of this Garrard changer. Alrighty, it's been an uphill battle. It has had many problems, not the least of which has been the idler wheel that refused to be restored. To send it out for replacement was going to cost an awful lot, so I tried my best to avoid that. So it spent many weeks in a solution that was supposedly guaranteed to restore it to pristine condition. It did and it didn't. It still had problems. But as you can see, at this point in time, it goes through the cycle just about flawlessly, and I have a feeling it is just becoming more supple as the residual chemical action inside this rubber continues to soften it. So right now, I'm quite pleased. You can see it barely slows down, and I have a feeling that that's just the way it was when it was new. Takes a lot. Okay, let's run it through one more time, and then we'll call this repair successful. Let's get that in. Okay. Well, that's going to be difficult. The center post that was supplied with it was not designed. It was not the original one that came with this unit, and I'm not sure which model it actually was designed for, but it did not function in this. And to avoid having to seek online a replacement for it, which could be very expensive, I decided to modify this, and the modification has worked quite well. The only problem is that it doesn't always stay locked in the position properly. So as you can see, it goes through the cycle fine. Now I won't be able to play much in the way of music because that's just the way it is with YouTube videos, okay? And I guess that's about it. Now coming to the end of the record, I don't think, no, I won't even bother trying to put that up. I don't want to strike. And it cycles, it detects the end of the record and goes through the change cycle. If there's another record on top, of course, it will drop that record and play that record. If it's the last record, then this overarm signals that we're no longer having any records there, and the tone arm will stay on the rest, and the motor will shut off. And as you can see, it does that. So there was a lot of grease that was turned into sludge and almost concrete. It was horrible to try and get it operational. And I feared that I wouldn't be able to do it, but in the end, with a lot of extra effort, it did. So this now works, and everything's fine, and it can go back to the customer, who's probably anxiously waiting for its return. Okay, so I have to do a couple more things to it, and then it will be taken to the post office for weighing and shipping estimates, and then we'll be back to the customer. Okay, thanks for watching.